if you're telling your friends who are morbidly obese that they are beautiful or even slightly overweight, you don't actually like them. And if you have friends that do that, you should probably get rid of them.
But don't you think that like they're feeling guilty enough? I mean, I know our girls in our program who have 100 or more pounds to lose, they're in constant shame.
Most of those girls join the program because of my gutlessness, my relentless honesty about how being fat is ugly, being fat is not something to be proud of, and being fat is not something that's cute.
Yes, well, we are known now as the Gutless Gurus, and we are honest, and we also love. We love hard, and we are also really honest with ourselves and you. If you want to join our 30-day challenge, you definitely might want to lose 8 to 10 pounds this month. 30 days.
Mom and I are live in there. We are coaching you, and we're being very honest. You need honesty. That's why nothing's worked before, is because no one was honest with you on what to actually do to lose the weight. So I was 320 pounds.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
I've lost 160 pounds naturally. My mom has lost over 100 pounds, and we've done it with no loose skin, so we know a thing or two. We don't believe in injections. We've never had surgeries. We've never had any of that weird stuff. We believe in nature and whole foods, which brings me to my first point. The way you lose the weight naturally is by making your favorite junk food at home. We call it Step It Up because you take one step forward. If you're having Burger King, you make your Burger King at home. That's what I did.
And then you went to Chipotle. You had Chipotle, and then you started making your Chipotle bowls at home.
And it's that simple. You're like, is it really that simple? Yes. You need to learn how to cook.
Yeah, you start with a regular bun, and then you go to a whole wheat bun, and then a sprouted wheat bun, and then a lettuce bun. And we teach you about all of these nuances in our program. It's really, really powerful to take your health back, to reclaim your vitality, and to reclaim your energy, because no one likes to be fat, sick, and tired. And our society is fatter than it's ever been. We are getting fat at an alarming rate, and we have to turn the ship around. So if you're not doing something about it today, you're part of the problem, and we don't want that for you. And you don't need an injection that's expensive and requires you to take it for the rest of your life and actually makes you really weak. It could make you blind. You could have your colon removed. It's actually killing people. So please, it is not okay. You really, really want to turn your health around. So if you're on injection and you're afraid to get off of it because you don't want to put the weight back on, or you're afraid about that saggy, horrible looking skin, join us. We have so much wisdom that we want to share with you. Wisdom that's not new. It's not new, fancy, fandangled things.
But what's interesting is no one's talking about the stuff that we're talking about, and no one's teaching it, which is why we do that.
It's like you can't patent it. Like, we're not selling like fancy creams. We're actually
No.
selling real support and accountability, so you change your lifestyle.
Johns Hopkins did a study showing that accountability groups online were the most successful way for weight loss. And that's what we
100%.
do. And it's literally Mom and I. Like, you guys, Mom and I are like amazing coaches. And I'm not just saying that. Like, we are honest with you. We're not mean or like whatever. Like, no, we're just honest, great people who care so much about you. And the girls in our group stay in our group, and they stay not overweight because they love us.
These
and they're
are
getting
amazing women.
results.
I have to say, this one girl, I love this comment she made the other day. I'm not going to say her name because we haven't asked her for permission, but she said, "I'm losing weight faster than everyone in my household." And I had
They're
the feeling,
all on Ozempic.
they are?
Yeah.
I suspected that, but I didn't know
what
if
she
it was true. Oh my gosh, they're like competing with each other. And she's like eating really good food. That's delicious. I mean, she's sending us pictures of her meals, and I'm like blown away.
What a chef she is.
Amazing. And guess what? Her stomach doesn't hurt anymore. She used to be in stomach pain after every single meal. I'm so proud of her.
She enjoys all her meals. I mean, you guys, if you're not in our group, you are missing out. You are missing out on the incredible skin you could have, on the incredible feeling when you wake up and you don't feel inflamed anymore.
Or
The
achy.
addiction to food or having these weird cravings, they're gone when you join our program. So what are you waiting for? Go join. We have a tight club now for no loose skin because we know all the tricks and hacks because we have no loose skin.
Amazing. And if you want recipes, because you're not ready to dive quite in, you want to see what are these girls eating exactly? Well, we'll show you on our Substack. Subscribe today. It's only $8 a month. We give you all the gold.
Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And please comment on this video, something you learned, like this video because it helps the algorithm, and share this video with someone you love because it also helps us grow our channel. And we would love it if you would subscribe.